Today we'll be discussing the differences between price ceilings and price floors. So, a price ceiling is a legal cap on prices designed to keep prices artificially low that's set by the government. And how I like to remember this is that it's a maximum price set where the price can't go above a certain number. So, a price floor is a minimum legal price sellers can sell a product that's set by the government. So a price can't go below a certain number. So let's look at some examples of effective price ceilings and price floors, because ineffective price ceilings and price floors will not change your equilibrium and your market will stay socially optimal. So let's look at this first one. So the government sets a price ceiling at $4. So first we're going to graph our equilibrium, which is at $6 in the quantity of 3. So now we're going to draw in our price ceiling, which is at 4. And I just like to write maximum so I can just keep track in my head. So let's look what this does to our market for sweatshirts. So producers are supplying sweatshirts, 2 sweatshirts at $4, but the demand for sweatshirts at $4 is at 4. So if you just kind of dash down and you do some very simple math, 2 minus 4 is 2. So we're looking at this, it's like, wait a minute, if the demand is more than the supplied, that means that all of this results in a shortage. So this will mess up your market, right? And it's illegal to buy and sell at equilibrium, even though you have suppliers that are willing and able to sell at like higher prices and have the quantity for it. They can't do that because it's literally illegal, and we don't want that. So that's what a effective price ceiling does. Now let's look at an effective price floor. So the government sets a price floor at $8. So again, let's graph the equilibrium so we can check out what this is doing to our market for sweatshirts. Again, it's at $6 in 3 quantity. So the government sets a price floor at $8. Draw that across, and I just like to write minimum. Okay, so producers can only sell at $8 or above. So they're going to be selling 2 sweatshirts at $8 and above. I'm sorry, not 2, 4. But people are only demanding really 2 sweatshirts at $8 or above. So if we dash on down, and again we do some math, that's going to be 2, but this time it's going to be extra because it's on the supply side. So this actually results in a surplus. And then once again, even though buyers and sellers are willing and able to buy and sell for sweatshirts down here at a lower price, and it seems like it would make more sense, it's illegal and they just